Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. And when was the last time mulikuja National Theatre? Yeah, you know me too. It's been a long time. The last time I was here, I was in high school. They were years and years ago. But today we are here with my friends to watch this play. It's called She Said No by The Crony. I hope you know this company. They have a group of very funny guys. So I'm hoping this play is gonna be amazing. I will show you how it goes down. And also on this video, I'm going to do a recap on another play I went to, the Love and Money Festival. I'm also going to do unboxing of your famous Latafa perfumes. Those are Arabian perfumes. And also more to come. A farewell party I attended. Just a recap of my life lately. So enjoy. Guys, let me tell you, this was the best play I've ever attended. It was so funny. The guys were hilarious. They were relating to the current issues in Kenya. It was really good. If you need to watch this, they ran their show from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday this weekend. Just go and buy your tickets. They're only 1,500. And then the show is being shown at Kenya National Theatre. So it's very easily accessible. Just go and have fun. It was absolutely worth it.
It was our first run, and we had a solo show.
And now let's unbox the Arabian perfumes from Fragrance Fusion. I will tag them and you can check their Instagram page.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Okay, looks nice.
Velvet.
All right. Smell. How does it smell?
Oh, very fresh.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it smells like, do you know La Vie est Belle?
No idea.
It smells like that, like, oh, it has like rose, like flowery but fresh.
Oh, okay. It smells nice.
And a bit of sweetness.
Okay.
Oh, that's nice. Oh.
That's mine.
Yeah,
okay.
that's
Next.
nice.
Lorraine, unboxing number 2. That one smells nice.
It smells good.
Mmm.
Higher. That's what I'm getting next.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this one. Wow. Jesus Christ, this paper is big.
It smells fruity. Fruity. And no, it's a complete perfume. But it smells nice. It smells so fruity and
fresh-ish.
That is for Mayar.
Yeah. Very nice.
Well, I hope you don't get any headaches. We've sprayed so many sprays today.
I'll spray it on you now. Because I know that I get a headache. And is this the hand you sprayed the other one?
This one.
Wow.
Will smell it?
I love this one. Do you like it? Oh, that's spicy.
Ebu? Okay. Oh, okay.
Wow. That's spicy.
I have these, but come air freshener. Like they had unaweza spray on the seats.
That's like spicy. It smells like it's spicy.
This is Mayar by Latafel.
I think I prefer this one. No.
We want to see the raw reaction for us. Wakisi wawili wa shamba. Hey, okay. Abupaka, tell us.
Mbona inuki kama ile nyingine yako?
Gani?
Inanuka poa, hii ni peli net. Kama utaki. That's nice.
Apply.
Hii sasa ukioga.
Ooh, nice.
Ukioga kabla uende Kasarani stadium.
Uende Kasarani stadium kudu.
Kupeana vitu.
I'm still recording. That's why I'm recording. And I will sit and edit. But I just know.
Wende ikawa nipate kitu inatoshana doli niambiwe ni akana apudo.
By the way, unaona spoon ya apudo?
Yangu isha crack. Nilienda kuscoop nayo ice cream actually.
Ikavunjika.
Imevunjika hapo.
They're nice.
Ndio. Mimi
So next time when you order this one.
in 2 days ilikuwa imekatika hivi.
Hata mimi yangu imekatikia hapo kwa edge.
Haya, hivyo ndio tumeanza unboxing round 2. Oh, nice. Utuambie vile inanukia, kama inanukia poa ama inanukia zile wadudu. Smells nice. Kama inanukia cherry tomatoes. For real? Oh, nice. Okay, na ni intense, inanukia kama berries. Is it berries? Strawberries.
Strawberries? Candy. Cadent. Okay. Cadent. Hey.
Mevunja. Oh, nice. Oh, okay. Kinakaa posh. Oh, nice. Yeah, okay. Sasa tumehama from designer perfumes. Sisi ni watu wa Arabian at this point. I want to smell it.
This one is number 1.
For real?
Yeah. This is number 1.
Mimi nakuja ku smell next.
We go next.
Caramel. Chocolate and caramel. Ooh wee. This is caramel. Tuscan caramel. Caramel cascade. Okay. Let's open.
Let's see.
Hey, at this point I can't tell nimejipaka perfume gani. I've mixed everything.
Wow.
Ebu open. Ooh, guy.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Hey, okay. Chatusikia kama inanukia the eclairs they are saying it smells like eclairs. Mkono ingine. Chocolate and caramel. Ooh.
Hey.
In a slab.
Best decision.
Do not break your bank when you can get
not like your boyfriends. Oh my god.
Hey. Another plug I got for you guys is the most affordable place you can go for the most amazing cocktails you can have in Westlands at Viking's House. If you don't know where Fogo Gaucho is, the original Fogo Gaucho branch, this is where it is. And then the place for cocktails is called Barrels and Stools, if I'm not wrong. Yes. And it was such a random plan on a Friday, and I was meeting my friend here for one for the road, and then we go home. Yeah, actually it's called the Wooden Barrel. Oh my goodness, yes, the Wooden Barrel. But on the second floor there's also Cafe Kaya, which is very nice for cocktails. I've been there before and I loved their cocktails. So this is how it went down. Imagine getting 3 potent cocktails for 1,000 bob. Yeah, that's the deal. That's what they have for happy hour. And then I love the idea that you can get board games for just 300 bob for your table for as long as you need. So it's a good plug. We played 30 seconds, we had our cocktails, and then it was a wrap. But I'll be back to this place. The next thing that I did and enjoyed was attending this Love and Money Festival. It was being hosted by Jules, the one for over 25, and the guy from Financially Incorrect, and it was the most amazing play I've ever attended. So it was a play stroke podcast stroke just talks about love and money and everything in between. And yeah, it was really amazing. It was like about 4 hours long, but after we didn't even notice that the time was going so fast.
We are here. Guys, it's been such an up and down journey, and I don't even know what to say other than I'm happy that this is the last show of the day. Barack, over to you.
Yeah, I mean, it's been long. And for the first time we met, 17 months ago? You want to do this show, and you said, what show is this?
We also had some stand-up comedians who were really funny.
I know of. The second amazing thing that happened in 2024 is, I don't know if you guys heard, but we had a small comedian called Dave Chappelle in Nairobi. Yeah, we did that.
And I was here for Albert. I really love this guy. The next recap was a farewell for our boss, and it was taking place here at Tamarind Tree Hotel. And guys, let me tell you, if there's an expensive hotel in this Nairobi, it's this place. Because tell me why Mzinga ya Gordon's ni 10k. Please tell me why. And then a 750 ml of Black Label was 15,000. Wow. But anyway, then I said, we must work hard. You must work hard because we need the money. Yeah, but I loved the experience. They normally have very nice food, and the hotel looks nice and everything in between. But the prices, wow, they need to check the prices for the cocktails and for drinks, especially for the bottles.
outside the window, watching life go by. The air felt so clean and good as I held your hand in mine. These are the memories of a certain place and time, the ones I left behind. They're somewhere in my mind.
This place is so beautiful at night. So this is our dinner setup also. On this side, I'm waiting for them to bring the food outside. Hapa kutakuwa na grill. So it's gonna be fire. And the spread looks so nice. So I can't wait for them to fill it with food. I love. Ooh, avocado. And that's a wrap on how life has been lately. And this is what I've been up to when I'm not traveling. So guys, if you know any other plugs, you can plug me in, whether it's for restaurants, it's for hotels, or nice things to do, please do. Until next time, see ya.